This month, on my Peripheral obsession, I'll be testing and giving away the SteelSeries Rival 300 gaming mouse, a product so well made that Bethesda licensed it for Fallout 4 as the Wasteland's most precise gaming mouse. Hey there. Welcome back to the series I'm calling My Peripheral Obsession. In this series, I plan on testing and then giving away every mid-level peripheral I can get my hands on, from gaming mice to mechanical keyboards, and eventually even headsets and monitors. As the series name implies, I have become obsessed with peripherals. Short of the performance power of your internal workings in your machine, they are probably the most important piece of your setup when it comes to your enjoyment of the PC experience. So like I said in the intro, this month I'll be checking out the SteelSeries Rival 300. And this one is very near and dear to my heart as the Fallout 4 licensed edition, being that I am such a huge fan of the series, to the point that I have around 600 hours into the Commonwealth Wastelands alone. So, for those of you new to this video series, I will once again remind my viewers of the testing methodology I'll be using. First, I'll check out any software the manufacturer provides for use with the product, including functionality and ease of use. Then on to any implementation of lighting it may have. After the cosmetics have been looked at, I'll dive into the real-world use, starting with gameplay, where I'll play 2 to 3 types of game for at least a total of 5 hours, and edit at least one video with it as well. This will give me a fairly comprehensive understanding of the mouse in general, so with all of that in mind, let's get down to this month's product and see how it fared. The software from SteelSeries is wonderful. SteelSeries Engine 3 is a breeze to use and very intuitive. I didn't have to search for anything to get full functionality out of the mouse, and I would reasonably assume that it would be the same for any of their products. I can't wait to try it out with one of their keyboards in the future. It not only has the basics, which would include DPI controls and lighting, but you can even adjust your polling rate. It also recognizes most game titles and can switch between profiles set for each program. That'll change the 2 DPI presets and both RGB zones of the lighting, as well as any other changes you decide you want. Unfortunately, it only recognizes games and not productivity software like Premiere or Excel, which might be nice for power users. This mouse is Fallout blue and yellow with a matching yellow cable. It is right-handed design. It has a very comfortable contour, leading the user to hold it at a slightly offset angle that translates well to the angle of the sensor and makes for a very natural feel. It uses a PixArt PMW3310 optical sensor and has a very short lift of just around 1/4 of an inch before releasing the mousepad surface. The 300 has 6 buttons, including your standard 2 plus a scroll wheel, as well as the side buttons and an on-the-fly DPI switch. SteelSeries uses high-quality switches that they claim are rated for 30 million clicks. Now, I didn't test that claim, but they are most assuredly solid with a good feel and a solid click. The sliders are smooth across whatever surface you use, whether that be a cloth pad or a high-speed gaming mouse surface. The only place you can still find the Fallout 4 edition of the SteelSeries Rival 300 is either on this giveaway or eBay or from some third-party reseller. Either way, I would say if you're a fan of the Fallout series and you can find this is an excellent addition to your setup. Now, as always, go ahead and click that subscribe button and notification bell. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you didn't, well, I'm sorry everything you love leaves you. I'm Meat Popsicle from the Prodigal PC, and I shall speak to you when I return.